Hello friends! Are you ready to fly high in the sky? Let's zoom through the clouds and discover amazing air vehicles together. Planes, helicopters, balloons, and more. This is an airplane. Big and strong, it flies high across the sky, carrying people all over the world. This is a helicopter. It goes up and down with spinning blades. Perfect for quick travel and rescue missions. Wow, a hot air balloon. It floats gently in the air using warm air. It's like flying in a colorful bubble. Here's a small propeller plane. It makes a buzzing sound and is great for short trips or training new pilots. Jet plane, super fast. With powerful engines, it zooms through the sky at incredible speed. This is a drone. It's small, flies with a remote, and helps take videos from the sky. This is a seaplane. It can land and take off on water. Isn't that amazing? Look at the fighter jet. Sleek and powerful, it's used by the military to keep the sky safe. Great job, Explorer! Which air vehicle did you like most? Like and subscribe for more sky fun.